Heavy, yellow buildup along the gum line often requires professional cleaning to remove safely. The dentist examines the buildup to determine the safest cleaning approach. Plaque is a soft bacterial film, while tartar is hardened buildup that requires professional removal. The teeth are rinsed and prepared before scaling begins. Ultrasonic scaling loosens hardened tartar using gentle vibrations and water. The scaler carefully follows the tooth surface to clean difficult areas near the gums. Fine hand instruments remove the remaining deposits from hard-to-reach areas. The teeth are thoroughly rinsed to remove any remaining debris. Polishing smooths the enamel and removes minor surface stains. Cleaning between the teeth helps reduce plaque in areas that brushing may miss. The professional cleaning leaves the teeth smooth, clean, and healthier looking. Daily brushing, flossing, and regular professional cleanings help reduce plaque and tartar buildup. This video is educational and not personal medical advice.